Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin did actually change the sentiment into negative, especially breaking below the critical support of 93,000 and actually staying at 92,500 for a couple of hours. Definitely put a lot of panic and fear into the crypto market. And you can see after a long period of time, we're actually in the fear side when it comes to the fear to the grid index. But now there is a little bit of rebound that was formed from the ETF inflow, and this is definitely putting a lot of hype into the crypto market again, especially the altcoins. And you guys know when the altcoins start running, the one that leads the chart is always the meme coins, but it's actually very hard to find what's the best meme coin to invest in so you can actually make the most profit. Well, that's when this comes in. World's first decentralized meme coin index. Buy now in pre-sale to unlock supercharged rewards. Just to give you guys perspective, you know what an index is. It pretty much puts all of those tokens together and gives you one thing that you can invest in, so as it goes up, all the tokens are going to be impacting the index. And right now, this is going to be the first decentralized meme coin index. And the best part of it, it's still in a pre-sale stage. Just to give you perspective, they raised about $1.3 million, and this is backed by one of the largest team that loves making a lot of incredible projects. Previously, the last project they released actually started at a market cap close to 100 million. So just to give you perspective, at 1.3 million, if you decide to buy right now, that's already 100x even before the token is released. And this is pretty much the indexes that they're going to be working with: Meme Titan Index, Meme Moonshot Index, Meme Midcap Index, and Meme Frenzy Index. So if you want to be more riskier, you can pick something riskier. And if you want to be safer, obviously you can make more money. The 120 billion meme coin market smashes every other asset class. Buy and stake Memex now for the highest APY. Just to give you perspective, right now the APY that it's actually offering is huge. If you simply just go into the stake option, you'll realize that the APY is close to 1,842%. The reason it's so high is because it's still very early into the project. As more people are going to be buying into the token and more staking is going to be happening, obviously this APY will definitely go down slowly. On the other end, if you want to know more about the token, it's very simple. Market-wide exposure. In volatile world of meme coins, selecting a single token for investment can be tricky, and that's when the index comes in. Choose your style. There will be 4 indexes to choose from, each one with varying degree of volatility. If you want to go with a safer option, you go with the bigger one. If you want something that's going to make you big returns and big risk, go with the smaller one. And community governance. Meme coin token allows all holders to submit and vote for the proposal related to the project. Now, how meme index works. So gains. Memex token allows you to participate in 4 diverse meme coin brackets, so 4 ways to play. Governance. Submit a new proposal for the projects that you want to be added. How to purchase is actually very simple. You just need to go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You simply need to just click on connect wallet, select your wallet that you want to connect. Let's say you use MetaMask, select that, and then you guys can just put in how much USDT you would like to convert into Memex. Right now the price is 1 USDT to about 1.4 cents. So for 1,000 you get about 67,000, but in about 2 days the price will definitely increase, and once the raise actually goes up, more and more people are going to be jumping in. So you want to be early. Talking about their audit, no problems at all. The audit is perfect. You guys are not going to have any problems with that. At the same time, their Twitter has quite a decent amount of followers, nearly 17,000. And if you look at their post, you realize that in less than 24 hours their posts are getting decent amount of likes, about 200, and also the amount of interactions it's receiving. Their Telegram has over 1,800 members, so they're definitely slowly building up, and this is probably a perfect time to get into it early. The best part about it, in my opinion, is the fact that it's actually run by a team that knows what they're doing. And the tokenomics, the pre-sale is 15%, 25% to stake staking, 20% to marketing, 20% to community, and 20% to treasury. And the Memecoin pre-sale has begun. Then the token is going to be launching, the governance begins, index goes live, and the platform utility will be added. So if you guys want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. It's not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Other than that, thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.